Hello everyone and welcome to Maths with Munira. I know maths is hard, but we can do hard things. Today the topic is matrices. We'll be doing multiplication of matrices today, and I'll show you two ways how to do the multiplication, and then we'll try to verify the answers with the help of a scientific calculator. So let's say I have a matrix called A which has 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, matrices are just a way of representing your data, and this is just a rectangular arrays of numbers. So let's say our first matrix is this. We need to know the order of the matrix, and what do I mean by order? So there are 2 rows in this matrix, and there are 2 columns in this matrix. So I write first the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. So this is basically, it's not a multiplication sign, it's just showing the order of this matrix. So 2 by 2, we'll say the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Let's say we have another matrix and it has again 4 elements, 2, minus 0, 4, minus 5. And what is the order of this matrix? 2 arrows, 2 rows, 2 columns, and 2 by 2. Now remember, the inner 2 numbers, if they are same, only then we can proceed with the multiplication. Otherwise, you'll say that the multiplication is not possible. And the interesting thing is that whatever resultant matrix we will have, that will have an order of the edge numbers, so the last numbers, so 2 by 2. The resultant matrix will have the order of these 2 numbers, so in this case 2 by 2. So let's start doing the multiplication, and let's write it something. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this is my matrix A, and say this, there might be some changes in the element, but that doesn't matter. And let's take another matrix, right? So let's first start by multiplying this element with this. 1 multiplied by 1, right, plus this element now will be multiplied by this number, 2 multiplied by 0. So this whole is the first element of my resultant matrix. Now for here, this multiplied by this, so 1 multiplied by minus 2 plus this multiplied by this, so 2 multiplied by minus 4. Similarly for this, 3 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 0, and 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Now see, if you can just look at the pattern here, these are the numbers which is written here. So 1, 3, 2 and 4. And then whatever is here is actually the first column of the next matrix. So 1, 1 and 0, 0. So you can easily check your answers, check your steps that whether you're doing it correct or not, right? And similarly here, look, these are the same numbers which are here. So from the first matrix, 1, 3, 2 and 4. And now the number which they are getting multiplied by is the second column of the second matrix. So minus 2 and minus 4, minus 4. So you can check your steps here. Now we'll just find out the answers. We'll just simplify. So 1 times 1 is 1 plus this becomes 0 because any number multiplied by 0 becomes 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 0, this is 3. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. So minus 2 minus 8 becomes minus 10. 3 times minus 2 minus 6 plus minus 4 times 4, 16. So minus 6 minus 16 becomes minus 22. And this is my resultant matrix. Let's keep it aside and let's do the same multiplication with another method. Minus 22. 2. So now the second one, I find it easier than this one, but you just have to make sure that you're writing this in the correct order. So let's make these two lines, right? From the first matrix, just take the numbers in the rows. So 1 and 2, write it in the coordinate form here. 3 and 4, write it in the coordinate form here. From the second matrix, take the columns and write it in the coordinate forms here. 1, 0, minus 2, minus 4. Now it is easier. Multiply this by this. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 0, 0. 1 times minus 2, minus 2. Plus 2 times minus 4, minus 8. Right? 3 times 1, 3. Plus 4 times 0, 0. 3 times minus 2, minus 6. Plus 4 times minus 4, minus 16. And see whatever is here, that's our answer. So this is 1. This becomes minus 10. This becomes 3 only, and this becomes minus 22. And we have the same answers here. So these are the two methods with which we can actually do the multiplication of the matrices. And now we'll see how to solve it with the help of, we can solve it with the help of scientific calculator, but in exams you actually cannot do that. You have to show all the working. So you can easily verify your answer with the help of scientific calculator, and let's see how do we do that. Okay, let me tell you how to verify your answers for your matrices with the help of scientific calculator. First of all, you will have to go in the matrix mode. So press menu and 4. You are in your matrix mode. You have to define your matrix first. So number 1, we are defining matrix A first. Press 1. How many numbers of rows it has? 2. Number of columns? 2. Now all the elements you have to write here, starting from 1 is equals to 2 is equals to 3 is equals to 4. Now press is equals to. You have to now define your matrix B. Go to option. Press 1 to define matrix. Since matrix B is on number 2, press 2. And how many numbers of rows we have? 2. Columns, 2. Elements, 1 is equals to minus 2 is equals to 3 is equals to, and last element minus 4 is equals to. Now the life is easier. Press AC. You'll come on, you'll be sure that you are on your matrix mode, or you can either press option for that as well. So press option. Now on number 3, you can see it's written matrix A. So press 3 and see what comes on your screen. Matrix A. Press multiply it. And then again option. Matrix B is on number 4. Press number 4 and press is equals to, and you are with your answer on the screen. So it's 7, minus 10, 15, and minus 22. So this way you can easily verify your answers for your matrix multiplication. And we can also use the calculator to find out the inverse of a matrix, determinant of a matrix, and much more. So stay tuned.